Here I have myPhone Hammer Force, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the phone's dialer and let me show you the first secret code. Let me open the testing menu. So let's use star pound 4636 pound star. As you can see, the testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose phone information. Here you can read the email number, the signal strength, location, and other stuff. You may also run a ping test or choose more key in order to select radio band, view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, get PD police, or enable data connection. Let's go back, and you may also choose the battery information. Here you can read the battery status, power plug, battery level, battery scale, battery health, and even the battery temperature. Let's go back again, and this time let's choose user statistics. Here you've got the list of all applications, and you can read the counter and the user's time. Let's go back one more time, choose Wi-Fi information, select Wi-Fi API. Here you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configure networks, or get connection info. Let's go back by using the back arrow. Let's select the Wi-Fi config. And here you've got the configured networks. You can read the full specification about them. Let's go back. Let's choose the Wi-Fi status. Here you can refresh or start or run a ping test and read the statistics about your Wi-Fi. Let's go back by using your back arrow, and you may also choose the back arrow one more time to quit the testing menu. This time let me show you how to check the calendar info. So let's use the following code: star pound 225 pound star. The calendar info just pops up. You may read about the events, holidays, and other stuff. Let's go back. You may also use the following code in order to enter the Google Play service mode: star pound 426 pound star. As you can see, the Google Play service just pops up. Here you can choose ping, connect, disconnect, or events. Let's go back again, and this time let me show you how to enter debug UI. So let's use star pound 759 pound star, and as you may see, the debug UI menu pops up. Here you can change OEM mode, read the specification, you can view clients IDs also. Let's go back again, and this time let me show you how to use the code which allows you to check the email number. Let's use star pound 06 pound, and the email number just pops up. Let's tap OK to close this window. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.